games. So I was told to join my what is literally playing Hero Battleground. Yep. I got told my brother here, Carl. Say hi, Carl.
Hello guys.
Yes, that's him. So he wants to test something, but okay, let's go. My phone almost fell. Ito man. So there he is. Hello, brother.
Hello guys. Today we are showcasing Stain Mastery.
Yeah, he said we are showcasing Stain Mastery. Ang kinda lagi.
Wow. Variation.
Yeah, that's the variation.
Next 1 million slash third mode. We cannot showcase the second mode because we can throw the katana anywhere because it's
Can
a
you throw it to
variation.
that?
So 1 million slash.
Lagi.
Fourth mode. Whirlwind Future. We're showcasing the fourth mode.
Whoa.
You can stun them.
Is it
First
is
mode,
it
you
new?
can have
Is it new?
yes. First mode, you can have variation.
Hero Slayer but upgraded?
Yes. Stain
Oh.
Vito Dark Mastery. Next we can now go showcase Katana throw. But we can throw other person. First mode, uppercut. Second mode, dagger.
Wait,
you can
I
use
have
it
to tell
twice
you
to
something,
get
brother.
poison.
We're back.
Second mode, dagger.
Oh,
Cast.
sorry.
Yeah. You can
Whoa.
do it twice because you can do it. Okay,
Let's
guys.
go.
We can now showcase.
Whoa.
We showcase the dagger cast. You can do it twice. Now headbutt.
Nah, that's crazy damage.
Now let me
By the
get
way,
back to my sword. You can pick up the sword anywhere.
can you throw it?
Yes. Demonstration.
Whoa.
Now you can now stay forever if you want.
Nah, I'm not bleeding like on
If
other
you
games.
got 4 M1s on him, your sword will come back.
Whoa.
Now
That did a lot of damage.
Now we can now showcase the finisher.
We're gonna combo me.
We're not gonna combo me because we have low experience.
Ah, okay. Whoa. Next move, by the way. No, it's good.
Oh, I missed. Well, oh, I just literally just opened it. Wrong
Wrong move.
move.
Hurry up.
Stay there.
Hurry up before I heal.
Stay there.
Go, go, go. Yes. Hit the finisher.
We have
I
a
got my
passive
head
for
slashed off by
we
my
have a
body.
passive for Stain Master called Black Flash. You can hit 4 people. You can hit
to do it. How to do it.
You need to kill somebody with the finisher.
Whoa, okay.
Now katana to. You need dodge pin again. I forgot there's a variation for Shadow Rush.
Yeah, you forgot. Whoa.
Now we're gonna katana throwing Crocodile's finisher.
Then
That's
that's good. That's good. Whoa. My head got slashed up.
Now Shadow Rush again because we cannot show that finisher for second move and variation. Now we're gonna continue.
I'm lagging
That's
so
the
bad.
finisher.
Whoa.
Next
I'm
1
like
million
Gojo.
smash.
I'm like Gojo after that death. To unlock mastery for giving the type the mastery item in the text that only. Okay. Oh. I'm pretty low health. I'm pretty low health.
Now this is the finisher for 1 million smash. Kinda lag. Sorry for the lag.
Yeah.
You can watch it on YouTube for now.
Bro, of course we're uploading it to YouTube.
Yeah. Hit
Hope you support
Call.
me. Don't
And help us for 100 subscribers. For and what? Okay, and 100 likes.
yes.
Now
We'll
for
appreciate that.
Katana Pro.
Variation? Or not?
Not very soon.
Oh. Okay. I like how the effects work. It's in my right hand.
Now this is the finisher for Katana Pro. W animation for this.
Yeah, sorry for the lag.
Yeah, sorry for the lag again. You can watch it YouTube again from the name Just Vision.
Did he showcase it too?
Now next is uppercut.
Did he showcase it too? The Stain Mastery? Huh? What? Did he showcase the Stain Mastery too?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, guys, also sub to him. Because my brother...
Look at that poison. Wow. You can see that the poison. Okay.
Yeah. I'm kinda sick. And I am hot. Right?
Uppercut finisher. Then good W.
Why
Sorry
am I
for the
glowing?
lag.
Why am I
For the lag.
glowing for a millisecond?
Sorry for the lag again. Well, you can support or like the comment, and you love this video, like the comment please. Help us for 100 subscribers.
Yeah, we'll appreciate that very much.
Now we are waiting for the finisher of Dagger Justin. Now this the finisher. Sorry for the long video.
Yeah, my phone literally.
You have a knife now. You can combine knife and sword to deal more damage.
The lag is from the files because I only got 67 GB.
So for that, more damage you deal because you need knife and katana deal more damage.
Yeah.
Katana pro and the skill one is that finish it because look at that more damage you deal to him.
Sorry for my brother's accent in Filipino is actually kiwit,
Now
which
this
means
is the
kinda
headbutt
deaf.
finisher. And you have a knuckle glove for headbutt and uppercut
Yeah.
because you can throw the katana. Now look at this. But it's just the same damage.
Even a punch could deal so much damage.
Now we are gonna showcase the world gear finisher. I hope you appreciate this.
I have never seen this animation before. I was never on this since 2023. Am I right?
Yes.
Oh,
Now this is the finisher for Whirlwind Pierce. He just stabbed through your head. And that's it. Thanks for the showcase, and thank you for I
make
showcase
sure
the
to
skip,
subscribe
subscribe
and
and
like
like the
the
video.
video
Thanks for a
and
lot
click the
content.
bell.
Yeah. And peace out and good night.
Peace. Good night.